welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing a video that's been requested so many times now, and especially yesterday when I posted an Instagram story asking you guys if you wanted to see a video of Maya's room tour. A lot of you were like, yes girl, so that's why I figured I will do a little room tour. Now her room is very small, but I mean, I try my best to make it as cute as possible. It's not completely finished yet, but yeah, I'll just show you guys what I have so far and kind of tell you where I got everything for, so you have inspiration for your own baby's room. And this is just little Maya's little room. She's just chilling in her bed. This is the Stokke bed. It's a round bed that we have. First gonna start off with what's on the walls and what still needs to be done. Missing is a lamp over there. Then we have this wall right here. In the front she just has like a big window. There's not like any walls there. That's baby Maya. And then she has a side over here, so it's a very small room. So the first thing that we have are these three posters. One of them is a bunny, it's a deer, and a giraffe. I love these because I kind of went for like a more, I'd say like a jungle vibe theme, but not really. More, I don't really know how to describe it, but I love animals. And I really do want Maya to have like a love for animals like me. So that's why I decided to go with these three posters. Plus I also think they're so aesthetically pleasing. They're from Desenio, and I do have a code for this. Also got the frames that the paintings are inside. The posters are inside. They are from Desenio as well. So they have like golden frames, but because I already have some golden detailing, which I will show you later on, I didn't want to use like any golden frames. So I went with the black. I thought it would, I really love the way it looks. So and these are all on sale as well. So not really on sale, but I have a discount code for you guys. If you use the code Hijabhills, you will get 25% off your posters. I love these. I think they are amazing. They have a very big variety. Wait, I'll quickly show you guys. Whoop, don't mind the dirty door. I quickly show you guys this wall right here that we have. It's still empty. I'm gonna get some posters for there as well. Once I have those, I will show you guys again what that looks like. But then this is kind of like the side with the paintings. So here she just has a view of some plants. I really do need to sort my balcony still, so please don't judge me for it. I also need to get those curtains made on size because they're way too big. And this is, as I said before, Maya's bed. So the nursery is like super small. So this is what it looks like. But we have a lot of light coming in, which I love. And then this is her bed. Her bed is the Stokke, I forgot the name. I think it's Stokke Sleepi, and this is the one that can grow. So the bed, it can grow up to like till she's 4 or 10 or 12 years old. I don't remember. But I will leave all the, all the information down below. And here we have a really cute jungle vibes. Not really jungle, but it's just a very cute animal print. What's this called? A Dreamcatcher? I don't really know. I don't have one with sounds because my girl, she is just, you know how sounds are supposed to calm babies, but Maya just wakes up. So I always use blankets for her bed like this, and I have like a head bumper. And the one that I have, it's from, what's it called? Koeka. And that one is from Jollein. It's a Dutch brand as well. And that one right there, that little guy, show us your toy. Whoa, this is a bunny, and this is a monkey, and I really love this one. On the floor, this is the floor situation. Guys, it's really hard to film this room because it's so small. So yeah, I guess I'll just film it like this. I don't know. Okay. So here is the floor situation. We have some cookies over there. We have this poof over there that I got from West Wing. We have a very beautiful carpet, which I love. It's from West Wing as well. And then we have some of her favorite toys that she loves to play with, because usually in the morning when she wakes up, I'll put her on the ground and just let her play so we can sleep in for a bit. And then she has that cute little Leo leopard carpet, which I adore. I love this one. That's from Doing Good. Or Doing Goods. I don't remember the brand, but I love their brand because they have like everything ethically made, and I believe this one is made in India, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so we have here, well, all the books that she has, they're Dutch because obviously that's the language that we speak in this country. So this is Rupsje Nooit Genoeg, which is like a touching book. Then we have The Friends in the Dream World. It's a Dutch book. And A Perfect Party. These two are new because I got them from IKEA because we weren't reading as many books. Usually I love to like tell her stories at night. But then I started reading books and I've already gone through this one like 10 times. And I felt like it was getting boring for Maya. Come on, baby. Oh. And then we have this one. It's Sophie's little goodnight book. It's also like one of those touch books. And then this book right here is Maya's favorite. It's a little field book. It's so cute. We love it. This cute guy right here is Maya's clothing rack, or I'd say like coat rack, because we hang like sometimes her coats on here, and sometimes when she just takes a shower, we like to hang her like wet towels and stuff like that on there. And it's from the same brand as that leopard, what's it called, leopard carpet. And then we have this little cute cabinet, whatever it's called, drawers. This one is from Maison du Monde, and I have over here another frame that I still need to put a picture of Maya in, but I want to find like a good picture of the three of us together and then put it in there. Here I got a mark on the wall. I don't know how to get rid of it. Here we have like one, it lights up at night. So whenever Maya sleeps at night, I just put in, now it doesn't have batteries because we just ran out. But I put some batteries in there, and when we light it on, she has a little bit of like light. And then I have like this sign. It says love. I really don't know where to put it yet. And I have like one of those things. I need to map out the room and then put that on there. So it's like a measurement thing so I can see how tall my baby girl is getting. And obviously this is something I would highly suggest. Always make sure that your cabinets, they are attached to the wall so it cannot fall on your baby. So here we just have like some drawers that I will put Maya's clothes in a bit if I have time. And that basically sums up the entire room. I hope you guys loved this little nursery tour. And that's about it, you guys. So yeah, if you have any questions, you want to know something, you want to know some of my baby must-haves and stuff like that, please feel free to ask. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.